Enjoy incredibly fresh laundry with this eco-friendly heat pump tumble dryer from Bosch, thanks to its clever technology and amazing performance. It has an A++ energy rating and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. Bosch's fantastic Allergy Plus program keeps your clothes free from any pesky germs. It dries your clothes at higher temperatures to get rid of 99% of allergens, such as dust mites or pollen. So, no matter what allergies you may have, you'll always be able to wear your clothes with confidence. The condenser on this Bosch model is self-cleaning, which means it does all the hard work for you. It cleverly recycles the water taken from your clothes and uses it to flush the condenser free of any fluff. And because it's done automatically, you don't even have to lift a finger, meaning you'll spend less time on chores. If you want a heat pump tumble dryer that can give you incredibly fresh laundry, this eco-friendly model from Bosch is the perfect choice.